Do your joints ache when you wake up in the morning? Are you struggling with stiffness, swelling, or arthritis pain? You're not alone. But what if nature held a delicious secret to healthier joints? In today's video, we'll reveal the one fruit that can dramatically support joint health and reduce inflammation. Stick with us until the end. You might be surprised at how sweet healing can be. Joint pain affects over 350 million people worldwide. Whether it's osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or general inflammation from wear and tear, it can severely impact your quality of life. Many turn to painkillers, steroid injections, or even surgeries. But what if there was a natural, side-effect-free solution that starts on your plate? Cut to a dinner plate with colorful fruits. One of the most overlooked allies in joint health is your diet. Specifically, certain fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can fight inflammation, repair cartilage, and keep your joints smooth and pain-free. And topping that list is Tart cherries, also known as Montmorency cherries. These small, ruby-red fruits might look innocent, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Numerous studies have shown that tart cherries can help reduce joint pain, lower uric acid levels, and improve mobility, especially in those with arthritis or gout. Show a quote or clip from a medical journal or a doctor. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their deep red color. These compounds are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, combat oxidative stress in joint tissues, decrease muscle soreness after exercise, inhibit enzymes that cause pain and swelling, like COX-1 and COX-2. In a 2013 study published in Osteoarthritis and Cartilage, people who drank tart cherry juice for 6 weeks had significantly less joint pain and stiffness. Tart cherries are not just for those with arthritis. If you're an athlete, a runner, someone who does heavy physical work, or even someone who spends hours at a desk, tart cherries can help your joints recover and stay lubricated. Even better? They also support better sleep thanks to their natural melatonin, which plays a role in healing and inflammation control. Here are the best ways to add tart cherries to your daily routine. Tart cherry juice, 8 to 12 ounces a day. Dried tart cherries, great as a snack or topping. Frozen tart cherries, perfect for smoothies. Tart cherry extract supplements, a concentrated form for those on the go. Make sure to look for unsweetened versions if you're buying juice or dried cherries. The added sugar can cancel out the benefits. Want to boost your results even more? Combine tart cherries with other joint-friendly foods like turmeric for its curcumin, leafy greens, for calcium and vitamin K, omega-3s, from flaxseed or fatty fish. Together, they create a synergistic effect that helps protect your joints from every angle: inflammation, cartilage wear, and stiffness. Your joints carry you through life. It's time to return the favor. Instead of reaching for another pill, reach for a glass of tart cherry juice. This tiny fruit may not look like much, but it could be your biggest ally in staying mobile, pain-free, and active. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more tips on natural health and wellness. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried tart cherries for joint pain? We'd love to hear your experience.